What do you do, baby boo? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one of my very useful video. First off, I would like to apologize to my 19 subscribers. I haven't posted lately because I'm going through a very personal and serious healing right now. I had to take time to myself to think, bring that energy back in, but now I'm back. And today I want to talk about Seamoss. What is Seamoss? Some of you may already be familiar with the name and already know what it is. So bear with me while I explain to those who doesn't know what Seamoss is. So Seamoss, or Irish moss, or Chondrus crispus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right. Who cares? I just call it Seamoss. It's a species from the family of the red algae, and it contains 92 of the 102 minerals that the body consists of, basically. Not to name all of them, but just to name a few. These minerals include zinc, iodine, iron, calcium, potassium, B-complex vitamins, sodium, sulfur, silicone, and way more. Incorporating Seamoss in your diet really helps with your mental and emotional health. It also supports your immune system and help with weight loss. That's how I keep my stomach on flat. But that's a story for another time. I'm gonna put a link on the description box so you guys can go back and read a little bit more about it. And in the description box, you're also gonna find my Seamoss Provider for those who wants to learn how to prepare it from scratch like me. And for the lazy ones, I have a friend in Montreal that already does the prep for you. I'm nice enough to leave the link of his Instagram page in the description box also. As requested, let's get to it. So this is how dry Seamoss looks like. As you can see, he has been dried before packaging. There's a whole process to the drying of it. If you're interested in knowing how it works, St. Lucia Seamoss has a whole heap of videos on the process of drying. Check out their Instagram page by clicking the link in the description box. The white crystalline that we're seeing right now, it's sea salt. So 1 pound of Seamoss lasts me at least a month, so I use 25 grams a week. This prep is for one person use only. It looks dry, but it's pretty bendable. I personally suggest not to prep too much at once because you shouldn't keep it refrigerated for too long. Let's go! Guys, it's even more beautiful when it's soaking. This is the type of things that excites me, knowing that I will be getting all these minerals into my body. Forget that. I know I sound weird, but there's no other way I can put it. So I soaked it in spring water with bay leaves and lime for 12 hours. In those 12 hours, I drained it and refilled it 3 times. So every 4 hours, I drained it and refilled it back with spring water. So this is 12 hours later. I have my boiling water ready and I'm draining it one last time so I can get it ready to blend. But before that, when it's drained, I'm gonna remove the limes and the bay leaves from it. So now I'm grabbing my kitchen scissors and I'm gonna go and thin the Seamoss a little bit so we can blend properly. As you can see, I'm going a little bit hard on it because I like perfection. I want it to be super thin when I get it in my blender because my blender is kind of small. Alright, so have your blender ready. I use a small blender because this is a prep for one person. Therefore, I don't need to use my big blender. I like how I'm filling everything up. I'm not wasting anything. I need every single drop. So there I go with my boiling water. So I add 1 cup of boiling water, pour into the blender with the Seamoss. Then I'm gonna add half a cup of cool water. And you can see that the quantity I've made was enough for my blender. I didn't have to do it in 2 parts. Now I plug it in and blend it like there's no tomorrow. So we blend it until it turns into gel. We make sure that the substance is jelly. Have your jar ready. Clean your blender up like there's no tomorrow. You need every drop possible. This stuff is expensive. And look at the texture. That's how you want it. Jelly, gooey like this. And pour it in without what? Missing a drop. And voila! You could use it right away, but I like to put it in the fridge so it can solidify. I use it in my smoothies, face mask, and even hair mask. So now I'm about to show you guys how I make my fruit smoothies with the Seamoss. Here I have flaxseed, some maca powder. I also like to add a little bit of chia seed. And this is my Seamoss, all solidified, strong, ready to be used. No more sliminess, and there's no smell or taste to it. This is the scoop I use for my supplements. This scoop is for my Seamoss. I don't really know the measurement, but I know that it lasts me 7 days with this scoop. This is 1 cup of juice that I put. I like my guava. I already blended the fruit. In there I have beets, strawberries, blueberry, and goji berries. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys the benefits of those supplements. If you want to know about it, you can just go and read about it on Google. Now that all the supplements are in, I'm gonna add my 1 cup of juice and mix it up all together and blend it like there's no tomorrow, guys. Don't forget to blend it properly. Blend that smoothie like your life depended on it. And if you're not sure that you blend it properly, blend it again. Shake, 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 shake. Blend it again. After a good dose of blending, let's check how it looks like. I pour it into my Contigo because there's a straw add to it, and I feel like it's easier to drink it after. Look at this. Doesn't it look beautiful? It's just pouring itself into my container. These containers are pretty big, so I don't think you need to fill it up all the way up. This is 24 ounces. That's enough. Now watch me drink. Now watch me sip sip. Now watch me drink. Now watch me sip sip. Haha, it does taste good. And this is how I make great use of my Seamoss. Maybe next time I'll show you guys how I make my face mask with it. So I hope this video was useful enough, and I hope you learned anything. Guys, our health is our biggest wealth. We definitely need to learn how to preserve it. All right, beautiful people, that's all I had for today. Thank you for watching. Let's all stay healthy and safe during this hard time. See you next time. Peace.